Right, so hey guys, what is going on? My name is BBHAXS, and today I'm going to show you how to make a channel art. Channel art. Now the only thing you will need for this video is this file, which will be linked down in the description. Now the only program you will need for this video is Photoshop. You want to go into Photoshop and press File. You can double click it from the thing. There it is on mine. Just press open. Now you'll see it brings you to this page. Now what all these lines mean, this shows where you can see on certain devices. So this area here can be seen on every single device. With these extra 2 bits on, you can see it on a desktop, and the rest of it you can see on a TV. What I like to do when I make people their channel arts, I like to make it with a gradient. Now my favourite type of gradient is a blue to like a turquoisey blue. And then you just press OK, and go to the centre. I like to do in radial, and then start at the centre and go across that line like so. You can choose any colour combo you wish, but I'm just using this for this example. But then what I like to do, I like to add their text. So in my case, I'm just going to call this. Now you can choose whatever font you wish. I want to make it a bigger size as well. Move it downwards. Then I'm going to choose a different font for a change, because normally I use this Typograph Pro, but for this video I'm going to use a Call of Duty regular font, so it looks a bit more professional. Now since I think that'll look a bit weird, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on Google Images and find a camouflage image which will go really well with this thing. So you're going to go to Google Images. If you want to know how I made that my background when it's part of my channel art, if you want to see a video on that, let me know down in the comments. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type in camouflage, so you see it there. Hit enter on my keyboard, and now what I want to do is I'll go to search tools, and then size, and then exactly 2560 by 1340. Hit go, and now they will be the only images you will find. The images will only be that size, which is what you want. So I like this one here just because it's camouflage, and that is what I wanted. So I'm going to go on to view image, right click, save as, save it on my desktop just for ease, and hit save. And then once it's finished downloading, you can go just drag it into Photoshop like so. Now when we do this, we want to hit tick. We can delete the gradient layer and drag the camouflage layer down. Then what we want to do, we just want to make the layer is rasterized just to be safe. And then what we want to do, we want to go into here and press Shift and Alt at the same time and drag it so it's smaller. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a layer style. What you do, you double click on the layer and it brings up this box. Now I'm going to change the colours to white and a gradient. Stroke them in to black. I'm going to increase the stroke size to 10. And then I like to add a bevel and emboss. You can change the depth, size of it, oh my word. And you can also have a drop shadow. Now I like to change my opacity to full distance far back. I'm going to lower down on the opacity. The light looks like it's coming in from the top right, so we're going to set the angle to be like that. I think I'm going to turn off the outer glow, just for the sake of the drop shadow. And then hit OK. Now you know, I have a slogan. You see there I have high quality tech. You may have your own slogan. You may want to put your intro in. So I'm going to make that smaller again. Now if your screen's small and you can't see all your layers, you just press that down. You've only got 2 layers. Now you can press text. I'm going to make the text this size about 30. I'm going to change the text to Arnold. Arial. I say it wrong. Arial. I call it Arnold Black for some reason. There's no, it's called Air apparently. So I have high. You can make that bigger if you want to. Okay. Now you may want it to have the same layer style, so what you do, you right click, copy the layer style, and then paste the layer style. Now obviously you're not going to have BBHAXS and high quality fun. Also I want to make something clear that you might want to keep this area clear. And also this area, because this is where your profile picture is going to be. So to stop this from happening, what you can do, you can press shift and click on the top one, make sure you've got the move tool selected and just move it along like so. Now since I've done this, what I want to do, I want to move high quality fun to the side, and if you also want to, you can put your logo in. And there you have it, a pretty simple looking channel art. So what you want to, obviously you just want to go to File, Save, and you need to make sure it's a JPEG. Save it wherever you want, give it a name, I'm just going to leave it as that, and press save and hit OK. That is pretty much it guys for this video. If you did enjoy, please let me know by leaving a like on the video. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to let me know down in the comments, and also leave a like on the video. And yeah, I'm BBHAXS, I know I'll talk really fast, and I'm signing